Diagnostic imaging has revolutionized healthcare, enabling doctors to visualize the inside of the human body without invasive procedures. As technology advances, the field is poised for dramatic changes. In this video, we'll explore the future trends shaping diagnostic imaging, from artificial intelligence to portable devices. We'll see how these innovations promise faster, more accurate diagnoses and improved patient outcome. Let's begin by understanding the current landscape and why future developments matter. Today, diagnostic imaging relies on modalities like X-rays, CT scans, MRI, and ultrasound. Each method offers unique advantages, helping clinicians detect diseases, monitor treatment, and guide interventions. However, limitations exist, such as radiation exposure, cost, and accessibility. As we look ahead, new technologies aim to address these challenges, making imaging safer and more efficient. Understanding these foundations set the stage for future innovation. Artificial intelligence is transforming diagnostic imaging. AI algorithms can analyze images faster and more accurately than ever before, assisting radiologists in detecting subtle abnormalities. Machine learning models are trained on vast datasets, improving their ability to identify patterns and predict outcomes. This trend is expected to accelerate, with AI becoming an essential tool in clinical decision-making. The integration of AI will reduce errors, speed up workflows, and enhance diagnostic precision. Deep learning, a subset of AI, is particularly powerful in image recognition. Neural networks can process complex visual data, identifying tumors, fractures, and other anomalies with remarkable accuracy. These systems continuously learn and improve, adapting to new imaging techniques in patient populations. Deep learning is already being used in breast cancer screening and lung disease detection, and its applications are expanding rapidly. The future will see even broader adoption across specialties. Development of portable imaging devices is making diagnostics more accessible. Handheld ultrasound machines and compact MRI scanners are enabling point-of-care imaging in clinics, ambulances, and even remote locations. These devices are lightweight, affordable, and easy to use, expanding the reach of medical imaging. In the future, portable technology will play a crucial role in emergency medicine, rural healthcare, and global health initiatives. Advancements in 3D and 4D imaging are providing richer, more detailed views of anatomy and function. 3D imaging reconstructs organs and tissues in 3 dimensions, aiding surgical planning and disease assessment. 4D imaging adds the element of time, capturing dynamic processes like blood flow or fetal movement. These technologies are enhancing visualization, improving accuracy, and supporting personalized medicine. Molecular imaging is a cutting-edge trend that visualizes biological processes at the cellular and molecular level. Techniques like PET and SPECT allow clinicians to detect disease before structural changes occur. This approach is revolutionizing cancer diagnosis, monitoring treatment response, and guiding targeted therapies. As molecular imaging evolves, it will enable earlier detection and more precise intervention. Hybrid imaging systems combine multiple modalities, such as PET-CT or PET-MRI, to provide comprehensive information. These systems integrate anatomical and functional data, improving diagnostic accuracy and treatment planning. Hybrid imaging is particularly valuable in oncology, cardiology, and neurology. As technology advances, more hybrid systems will emerge, offering new possibilities for patient care. Reducing radiation exposure is a key focus in diagnostic imaging. New technologies and protocols are enabling low-dose imaging without compromising quality. Advanced detectors, image reconstruction algorithms, and AI-driven optimization are helping minimize risks, especially for vulnerable populations like children and pregnant women. The future will see safer imaging practices, balancing diagnostic benefits with patient safety. Personalized imaging tailors diagnostic approaches to individual patients. By integrating genetic, clinical, and imaging data, clinicians can select the most appropriate tests and interpret results in context. This trend supports precision medicine, ensuring that each patient receives optimal care. Personalized imaging will become increasingly important as healthcare moves toward individualized treatment strategies. Telemedicine is expanding access to diagnostic imaging. Remote consultations, image sharing, and virtual interpretation allow specialists to collaborate across distances. This integration is particularly valuable in underserved areas where access to radiologists may be limited. Telemedicine will continue to grow, making imaging services more widely available and supporting global health. Cloud technology is revolutionizing how imaging data is stored and accessed. Cloud-based platforms enable secure sharing, collaboration, and analysis of images from anywhere. This approach supports telemedicine research and multi-center studies. As cloud adoption increases, imaging workflows will become more efficient, flexible, and scalable. Wearable imaging devices are emerging as a new frontier. These devices can monitor physiological parameters and capture images continuously, providing real-time insights into health. Wearables are particularly useful for chronic disease management and early detection. As technology advances, wearable imaging will become more sophisticated, offering new opportunities for proactive healthcare. Automation is streamlining imaging workflows. AI-powered systems can schedule exams, process images, and generate reports with minimal human intervention. This reduces administrative burden, speeds up diagnosis, and allows clinicians to focus on patient care. Automated workflows will become standard, improving efficiency and reducing errors. Improving image quality is a constant goal in diagnostic imaging. New hardware, software, and AI algorithms are producing clearer, more detailed images. Enhanced quality supports accurate diagnosis and reduces the need for repeat exams. As technology evolves, image quality will continue to improve, benefiting both patients and clinicians. Functional imaging techniques such as fMRI and PET provide insights into physiological processes. These methods reveal how organs and tissues function, supporting diagnosis and research. Functional imaging is expanding beyond neurology with applications in cardiology, oncology, and more. The future will see broader use and new discoveries. Contrast agents enhance the visibility of structures in imaging. New agents are being developed to improve safety, specificity, and effectiveness. Innovations include targeted agents for cancer and biodegradable options for reduced toxicity. The evolution of contrast agents will support more precise and safer imaging. Imaging biomarkers are measurable indicators of disease or treatment response. These biomarkers are increasingly used in research and clinical practice, guiding diagnosis and therapy. Advances in imaging technology are enabling the discovery of new biomarkers, supporting precision medicine and personalized care. Integration of imaging and genomics is opening new possibilities. By combining genetic data with imaging findings, clinicians can better understand disease mechanisms and tailor treatments. This approach supports personalized medicine and advances research. The future will see deeper integration, leading to more effective diagnostics and therapies. Imaging is playing a growing role in surgery. Real-time imaging guides surgeons during procedures, improving precision and safety. Technologies like intraoperative MRI and augmented reality are enhancing visualization and outcomes. As these tools become more widespread, surgical imaging will continue to advance. Pediatric imaging is evolving to meet the unique needs of children. New protocols, low-dose techniques, and child-friendly devices are improving safety and comfort. AI is helping tailor exams to pediatric patients, ensuring accurate diagnosis with minimal risk. The future will see continued innovation in pediatric imaging. As populations age, imaging is adapting to new challenges. Technologies are being developed to detect age-related diseases, monitor chronic conditions, and support geriatric care. Innovations focus on accessibility, safety, and effectiveness for older adults. The future will see imaging play a central role in healthy aging. Diagnostic imaging is making a significant impact on global health. Portable devices, telemedicine, and affordable technologies are expanding access in low-resource settings. These innovations are helping detect diseases early, improve outcomes, and reduce disparities. The future will see imaging play a vital role in global health initiatives. As imaging technology advances, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Issues like data privacy, informed consent, and equitable access must be addressed. AI and automation raise questions about responsibility and transparency. The future of imaging will require careful attention to ethics, ensuring that innovations benefit all patients. Regulatory frameworks are evolving to keep pace with imaging innovations. New technologies must be evaluated for safety, effectiveness, and quality. Regulatory agencies are working to streamline approval processes while maintaining rigorous standards. The future will see ongoing collaboration between industry, regulators, and clinicians. Education and training are essential for adopting new imaging technologies. Clinicians must learn to use advanced devices, interpret complex images, and integrate AI tools. Ongoing education ensures that healthcare professionals stay current and provide high-quality care. The future will see expanded training programs and resources. Collaboration is driving innovation in diagnostic imaging. Multidisciplinary teams, including radiologists, engineers, and data scientists, are working together to develop new technologies and improve patient care. Partnerships between hospitals, universities, and industry are accelerating progress. The future will see even greater collaboration, fostering breakthroughs. Research and development are at the heart of imaging innovation. Scientists and engineers are exploring new materials, algorithms, and devices. Clinical trials are testing novel approaches, bringing discoveries from the lab to the bedside. The future will see continued investment in R&D, driving advances in diagnostic imaging. Diagnostic imaging is increasingly used for prevention. Screening programs, early detection, and risk assessment are helping identify diseases before symptoms appear. Imaging supports proactive healthcare, enabling interventions that improve outcomes and reduce costs. The future will see imaging play a central role in preventive medicine. Future of diagnostic imaging is bright, with innovations poised to transform healthcare. From AI and portable devices to personalized medicine and global health, new trends are making imaging safer, more accurate, and more accessible. As we move forward, collaboration, research, and ethical considerations will be key. Diagnostic imaging will continue to evolve, improving patient care and outcomes for generations to come.